Hello, I'm Lillian Nave, a senior lecturer and the UDL coordinator at Appalachian State University. And I want you to know that students are empowered when given true, authentic tasks in a venue where they are valued and are invited to bring their whole selves. I'd like to tell you a little bit about how using UDL principles brought my Arts for Peace class to speaking with the chancellor on the very first semester of their college career. I'm showing you the website that they created, and there is a reason why I'm down here and they're in the middle of the screen. They designed this website as a repository of information in order to show the chancellor. They showed who they were as a diverse group of learners and introduced themselves as the most diverse class of freshmen that Appalachian has ever had. And indeed, this was my most diverse class of students ever. In the fall of 2017, there were quite some violent and political uprisings focusing on Confederate memorials and public art in the South and on Southern university campuses. My students took the course material about the role of art in times of conflict and applied it to this situation in an authentic way. They described what they learned. All students had a place and a part to do this, and they created a website in which they could explain to the chancellor their thoughts and their feelings about what was happening in the local campuses. And then we actually met with the chancellor and the provost, the chief of staff, and also the president of the student government associations of all North Carolina schools. And we were able to sit down with the chancellor and ask her questions and have an hour and a half meaningful dialogue which affected change on our campus. I'll engage learners in this participant session through the use of photos, videos, the website created by the students, and also by recreating the welcoming classroom that invited these students to bring their whole selves. By the end of the session, I'll invite participants to apply this in their own way at their own places of learning and provide materials for future reference. I look forward to sharing this empowering way of teaching first-year students, and I look forward to sharing this with you.